What do you have to say about Masti 4,
My character Achal, which is a very possessive vibe. She keeps on checking phone, she keeps on checking live location, heartbeat.
How much did these boys trouble you? Because they are all well known.
I would like to say this on camera कि ये preconceived notion होता है कि मस्ती is a sexual comedy or women would have felt uncomfortable or anything like that. Not even once have I felt that because
Masti 4, you
Yeah.
said people are thinking it's sex. And it has so much of cuss words and double meanings.
सेक्सुअल कॉमेडी का एक क्रिंज फनी के बीच में ना बहुत ही फाइन लाइन है क्योंकि मेरे मदर फादर दोनों फिल्म देखने गए हैं और उनको तो फादर इतना रो रहे थे एक 5 सेकंड का मेरा शॉट है जहाँ पर मैंने
What is your favorite cuss word?
मैं ये बहुत बोलती हूँ ओ माई गॉड डक, ओ माई गॉड डक, आई से इट ऑल द टाइम, ओ माई गॉड डक, ओ माई गॉड डक. आई एम एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग दिस NGO which because even today so many girls in India who start menstruation, they do not have access to pads, they still use cloths and everything. The person wanted to get married or something and then I was like मैं तो जा रही हूँ बॉम्बे, मुझे तो बनना है एक्ट्रेस. सौ झटके पल्लो लटके रे मारो पल्लो लटके पल्लो लटके रे मारो पल्लो लटके.
Okay, Shreya, we just saw Masti 4.
Yeah.
And it's doing very well, I think. So what do you have to say about Masti 4, How did you bag this role?
First of all, thank you so much for having me. You look very beautiful. I love the lipstick that you're wearing. I'm going to ask the color later.
Thank you.
Masti 4 is my debut film. It's doing pretty well. I really hope that audience goes and enjoys it as much as we enjoyed shooting for it. And I did my first film, which will release next year, Mr. and Mrs. Grey, which is a murder mystery. That's how I met Milab Zaveri sir, and then I went and auditioned for my character Achal, which is a very possessive wife. She keeps on checking फोन, शी कीप्स ऑन चेकिंग लाइव लोकेशन, हार्ट बीट. तो मुझे बहुत सारी लड़कियों के DM आए हैं अभी हाल फिलहाल कि ऐसी ऐप है क्या. तो मैं सोचूं कि कोई भी IT या कोई भी जो ऐप डेवलपर्स हैं वो देख रहे हैं ये इंटरव्यू, तो प्लीज़ लड़कियों की बहुत डिमांड है कि ऐसी ऐप बनाएं आप बिलियनर बन जाएंगे. दिस इज आइडिया.
I spoke to the director Milab Javeri. He said, I said, why did you take fresh faces?
Yeah.
So he said, because I wanted a fresh look on the screen, and it is indeed very, very wonderful looking and beautiful, fresh, and you girls are looking so nice. How much did these boys trouble you, because they are all well known. Just debuting.
In fact, I want to tell you something that the very first day when I went on set, I was so overwhelmed because I have grown up watching Ritesh sir and Janelia ma'am in the first Masti, then Aftab sir's song Main Mast I used to watch all the time. Vivek sir I've seen in Sathiya, and अभी उनका गाना तेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग हो रहा है. तो नरगिस मैम, अरशद सर, तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरवेल्म थी. बट सच्ची में सब असली में इतने मस्तीखोर और इतने अच्छे लोग हैं. और बिकॉज समर वेकेशंस थी तो सबकी फैमिलीज आई हुई थी. वी ऑल एंजॉयड एंड वी ऑल had so much fun. And actually I would like to say this on camera कि ये preconceived notion होता है कि मस्ती is a sexual comedy or women would have felt uncomfortable or anything like that. Not even once have I felt that because our director was there, our director's wife was there, we were all like this. एक गाना है 1 crore, वहाँ पे सबकी फैमिलीज हैं, शूट हो रहा है, फिर सब अपनी फैमिलीज के साथ वापस जा रहे हैं. मैंने खुद को जनीलिया मैम को इंट्रोड्यूस कराया. मैंने कहा हाय मैम, आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ द रील्स दैट यू मेक एंड द वर्क दैट यू हैव डन. तो बहुत अच्छा मुझे फील हुआ एंड आई थिंक इट वाज अ वेरी ब्रिलियंट एक्सपीरियंस.
But since the way this is great grand Mastis, and Masti 4, you said people are thinking it's sex oriented. It is, of course, an adult film.
Absolutely.
And it has so much of sex in it, and it has so much of cuss words and double meanings. What do you have to, and such things do work, I wouldn't name the actor for Houseful 4. He said अरे यार हम ऐसी फिल्में चल गई, ऐसी फिल्में चलती हैं, और हम तो सोच रहे थे कि यार ये बहुत ही वैसी वाहियात फिल्म है.
हाँ
I
जी.
wouldn't like to name. So what is
Absolutely.
your take on it? You know, because today's gen is so different.
एब्सोल्युटली. देखिए, अभी मैं आपको एक बात बताती हूँ. जैसे एक फिल्म बनती है समथिंग लाइक एन अमेरिकन पाई हॉलीवुड में, ऑब्वियसली वो एक बहुत ही अलग जॉनरा है, या फिर ये बहुत ट्रिकी जॉनरा है. जैसे हॉरर कॉमेडी अगर है तो लोग बहुत पसंद करते हैं बिकॉज इट्स वेरी लाइक इट विल कीप यू ऑन योर सीट एंड यू आर लाइक व्हाट्स कमिंग नेक्स्ट.
Next.
सेक्सुअल कॉमेडी का एक क्रिंज और एक फनी के बीच में ना बहुत ही फाइन लाइन है, जो मुझे लगता है हमारे डायरेक्टर ने और हर एक्टर ने भी बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से उस फाइन लाइन को मेंटेन करा है. क्योंकि मेरे मदर फादर दोनों फिल्म देखने गए हैं, और उनको तो मतलब मेरी तो फादर इतना रो रहे थे. एक 5 सेकंड का मेरा शॉट है जहाँ पर मैंने शादी के कपड़े पहने हुए हैं, तो दे वर लिटरली क्राइंग. सो यस, ऑब्वियसली कोई भी अगर मस्ती देखने जा रहे हैं उनको पता है कि ये एक सेक्सुअल कॉमेडी है. लेकिन मस्ती 4 में मैं पर्सनली आपको बताती हूँ, मुझे बहुत फ़नी लगी और मेरे दोस्तों को बहुत फ़नी लगी, रादर देन अ सेक्सुअल कॉमेडी. ऑब्वियसली थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें हैं उसमें जो डबल मीनिंग है, बट मुझे लगता है वो तो आजकल हम एक फ़ोन खोल के रील भी देखते हैं उतना भी होता है.
Everything is there, you
है
know,
ना?
even in our films,
बट
like-
ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. आपको सच्ची में मतलब everyone is allowed to have their opinion. We are an independent country. We have freedom of speech.
Mhm.
But personally, I feel that our director, all the actors, they have kept a very, very beautiful line in coordination to the fact that yes, it is an adult comedy,
Yeah.
but you can also go watch with your friends और फैमिली के साथ भी देख सकते हैं, लेकिन अलग अलग.
If you go to see, you know, during our time, I remember I have interviewed Dada Kondke also.
Oh,
He had done that.
wow.
We used to go to town, you know, those Chitra is in Dadar, I think.
हाँ जी, हाँ
in
जी.
Churni Road.
Wow.
And he had done that movie, you know, Andheri Raat mein
दिया तेरे हाथ में. मैंने बहुत सुना है, मुझे वो आज तो मैं
And
जाके वो
other-
देखूंगी.
Other titles also I'm forgetting.
हाँ जी.
So it's been there and people have always been watching, you know. So what are the cuss words that you learned from here? Obviously you're grown up
हाँ,
and people
हाँ.
know it.
हाँ.
What is your favorite cuss word?
मैं तो डक बोलती हूँ.
Okay, वो
वो एफ
film
रिप्लेस
में,
कर दो, वही वही
हाँ.
वही. हाँ, लेकिन वो
Yes.
हमने एक्चुअली मस्ती में कोई ऐसे एज पर से कस वर्ड्स है नहीं, हर एक का इतना डबल मीनिंग है कि वो आप खुद ही समझ जाओ, यू नो. तो लेकिन हाँ, मैं ये बहुत बोलती हूँ, ओ माय गॉड डक, ओ माय गॉड डक. आई से इट ऑल द टाइम, कोई भी बात हो जाती है. लेकिन अभी एक दिन मेरी मम्मी ने सुन लिया था, तो शी वाज लाइक, श्रेया वेरी बैड, डोंट से दीज वर्ड्स.
So are you very obedient? Today's children are not very obedient.
My mom was in the same school as me.
Uh-huh.
She is the department head for science.
Okay.
She's a biochemistry teacher. तो मैं तो बहुत ही obedient बच्चा रही हूँ.
So nice.
फिर
Girls are always like
12th,
that.
हाँ 12th तक तो बहुत ही obedient, क्योंकि मैं बास्केटबॉल में एक बार मेरे को एक लड़का अच्छा लगा तो मैं उससे मिलने गई, तो मेरी पीटी टीचर ने मेरी मम्मी को बता दिया मैंने. तो 12th तक तो मतलब मैं किसी लड़के की तरफ देखती भी नहीं थी, क्योंकि मॉम को पता चल जाएगा.
Okay.
एंड देन आई वाज वेरी वेरी ओबीडियंट. फिर जब कॉलेज में आई, तो कॉलेज में देखिए मैं बैचलर्स इन डेंटल सर्जरी कर रही हूँ, डॉक्टर बन रही हूँ, तो वैसे ही मतलब किसी चीज़ का टाइम नहीं है. तो अभी बॉम्बे में आके मतलब आई एम रेडी टू बी डिसोबीडियंट.
It's not like that, but do you say the boys looked at you? Of course, you are worth looking for, and you never tasted any, I mean, puppy love or anything else.
In college, I liked a
Obviously.
senior of mine.
You must have had an affair also.
हाँ मतलब in college I liked a senior of mine, but then जब
Nothing
मैं
beyond liking.
मतलब it was, actually I've never been in a relationship like a committed relationship. As in, I liked the person, he liked me, we knew, and then the person wanted to get married or something, and then I was like, मैं तो जा रही हूँ बॉम्बे, मुझे तो बनना है एक्ट्रेस.
Very good.
तो हाँ मतलब.
So do you think today's generations they have that commitment phobia, you know? They
हाँ
don't want
मुझे
to
लगता है
commit,
मेरे को थोड़ा
and
सा
they
है
don't want
honestly.
kids, even if they get married, you know, they don't want to shoulder all the responsibilities
Yeah,
like
yeah.
we did, you know.
Yeah,
We were
yeah,
emotional
yeah.
fools, I think.
I know. I think that especially for women, which is a very beautiful thing to be honest, कि आप independent हो चुके हैं financially. लेकिन I think, you know, I would like to say this on camera. I want to have children tomorrow. I have really thought of that beautiful sea-facing house where I want 2 dogs, 2 children, and of course with a husband, good looking, tall, 6 feet husband.
Audience is watching. Just line up and send her this thing on her Instagram.
No, but वो चीज़ मुझे चाहिए, लेकिन हाँ, I am also smart because मेरी मॉम जब अपनी डिग्री कर रही थी तो वो उनकी शादी हो गई थी, वो फिर भी कर रही थी, तो मेरे को ये है कि मुझे पहले I want to fulfill my dreams and then take the next step. तो obviously अब वो चांस है हमारे पास, बट हाँ जो आप कमिटमेंट फोबिया बोल रहे हो, obviously because I'm young, मेरी जनरेशन में ना ये वर्ड्स हैं ब्रेड क्रम्बिंग, बेंचिंग, व्हाट नॉट, वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. आई मीन सिचुएशनशिप.
Which of these do you prefer?
Nothing. If you are my man and I see I'm a real life आंचल also little bit, मतलब लड़के डर जाएंगे देखने के बाद, पहले प्रोफाइल भेज देंगे फिर unsend, 6 feet प्रोफाइल फिर unsend. नहीं, लेकिन अगर तुम if you're with me, अगर तुमने मुझे I like you भी बोला, उसके बाद and you know I slightly like, and you're going and liking and commenting on other girls Instagram and all of that ना,
I know.
मेरे को बड़ा मुझे लगता है यार, then what is the whole point of exclusivity?
There's no exclusivity. I think they prefer you.
I mean, if you're single, you do what you want to do. You're single. But if I like you and you like me, then even, you know, एक वो जो courtship period होता है, that also slightly you need to show the girl that, you know, you like her and you want to make her feel special. Only then she will take the next step ना. जब पहले step में ही लड़की को पता चल जाए कि you are to trying everywhere, so she will anyhow back out. So this is for all the guys. Please, even when you're in the courtship period, make her feel a little special.
So you will not allow them to have even any extramarital affair that your film also shows off in that week. What is that word? Love
visa.
हाँ, love visa.
पहली बात तो extramarital affair चांस ही नहीं बनता. मुझे देखो, मेरे अंदर ही 100 पर्सनालिटी है, तुम क्या बाहर जाके ढूंढोगे?
मेरे अंदर क्या कमी है?
मेरे अंदर क्या कमी है बताओ? 100 पर्सनालिटी है. आदित्य वहाँ बैठ के हंस रहा है कि मैं भी डीएम में अपनी फोटो भेजूंगा, 6 फीट तो मैं भी हूँ.
Yeah, what are your preferences? A guy with beard or muchas or clean shaven? Long back when Priyanka had come, I had asked her. So she said, I want a clean shaven guy, and she did it.
He's actually,
she's done it.
So I want little bit of, what is it called? Stubble, yeah. हाँ, मतलब, you know, when the person like gives you a peck,
it looks sexy.
ऐसे, हाँ, it's sexy, no,
but
it's like little stubble. Because बिल्कुल ही clean shave हो तो मतलब उसकी skin तो मेरे जैसी हो जाएगी, छिले हुए अंडे जैसी, उतना भी नहीं, थोड़ा सा तो man होना चाहिए.
So and what other qualities?
6 feet minimum, because with my Louboutins you have to match, so 6 feet.
Obviously.
And he
good
should
looking.
मतलब I don't like the guy to be too fair. He has to be little British, मतलब लगना चाहिए Indian है.
That looks sexy.
Indian,
dark,
little exotic Indian.
Dark and stubble.
But he should be very intelligent. This is my, because I am somebody who likes to talk about, and this is, you know, even before we started the interview, we were talking about the world, culture, cinema. Politics. I want him to have a
vast knowledge in all the spheres of life.
If you have 8-pack abs, keep it with you. But if you can keep me engaged in a conversation and you can teach me, I am very bad at finance. मेरे पास जितना भी पैसा आता है, मैं सब, like, teach me finance, teach me how to save money, teach me about crypto, teach me about everything.
Women are always, you know, known to be a very good economist, home minister, and as you grow, I think
not until you see sale on Zara.
So what do you spend more on your clothing and shoes and all that? What kind of clothing do you like?
Shopping. Sometimes I donate. I donate a lot of money, and I want to have in my life, and I have promised to myself. I'm actually helping this NGO, which because even today, so many girls in India who start menstruation, they do not have access to pads. They still use cloths and everything. So I want.
Akshay has introduced it to quite a bit through his film.
Yes. Actually, absolutely. So, but so that is where I like to give a lot of charity. But you know, I love shopping. Still, I just love shopping. So I want a man who comes to me and is like, इतने % ऐसे रखो, ये इन्वेस्ट करो, ये करो. And I hope मुझे इतनी सारी film मिलती रहे कि मतलब कोई मुझे हर
And
कोई
you've been
समझाए.
very busy, as I know. And also, I was talking to one of the actress, Urmila, of course.
Oh,
So I
wow.
said, you did those item numbers. It was so difficult to get a clean chit that time, and you look so seductive even when you wore saris and salwar kameez. So
Absolutely.
she gave me a very good answer. Let me see what you tell me about
Oh
it,
my
And you
God.
looked seductive enough in this film.
I think that thank you so much. And yeah, Pallo Latke.
Pallo Latke, yeah, I did
what
that
I did in
Jatadhara
Jatadhara,
mein,
obviously. See, when you do something like this,
Mhm.
you will always have, as we spoke that, we live in a country which has freedom of speech. You will, be it in your comments, especially with social media being so prevalent nowadays, anyone can come and say anything to you, but you as a woman, you need to have a very thick skin. You need to know what you're doing. So even when I did Pallo Latke, it came to me as an item song, item number, and I was like, am I ready to do something like this so in such a starting of my career, especially after finishing a film like a Mr. and Mrs. Grey, which is a murder
It's gained
mystery.
a lot of popularity to you.
Pallo Latke. It was
Latke.
trending number one for like so long, and I am so thankful to God that I did that, because मुझे था कि यार, it's a dance number. This is me. I cannot intellectualize cinema at any point. Because cinema is supposed to make you feel something. अगर कोई आज मस्ती देखने जा रहा है, चाहे वो डॉक्टर हो, चाहे वो इंजीनियर हो, वो एक अपने फ्राइडे के बाद बहुत ही हेक्टिक, हमें नहीं पता उसने अपने पूरे दिन में क्या करा, हेक्टिक दिन के बाद वो एक रात को एक सिनेमा देखने जा रहा है, तो he or she wants to feel good about life, about themselves, laugh. Even a song like a Pallo Latke, which originally was amazing.
Very amazing.
So I just wanted to like enjoy it and feel it and have a lot of fun while doing it, which I did, and which is why maybe it gained that kind of popularity.
Exactly. So if you get a item number after playing the lead in this film,
yes,
are you open to doing it?
100%. मेरे को पुष्पा जैसी फिल्म में I would want to say it out loud that in a film like a Pushpa or like a big film, I really want to do a brilliant item number. I'm manifesting for it. This chair might turn out very lucky for me.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Okay, coming back to the South, you started with Telugu film. What was it? If you refresh and tell me certain
Jatadhara, जिसमें Pallo Latke था. So obviously it is just
something.
No. It is just a song. Yeah.
So do you think that song has got you this, or you got it before it? And what is your first film you said? You didn't tell me
Mr. and Mrs. Grey, which was already shot. No, it will be released next year, because Masti जैसे क्या है, Milap sir is very fast. He's like, I know, abhi, like Masti is very, very, also it's like fun. So he kept on editing. He kept on working and this and that. And Mr. and Mrs. Grey, more of a murder mystery. So obviously it takes some time it's with National Award winner Miss Nitya Menon ma'am, Vivek Oberoi sir, and Ashish Vidyarthi sir.
So would you like to tell me something, elaborate a little bit about the theme
and about your murder mystery,
character?
And I really want my character is something that I cannot tell. This is why I really wanted to release. It is releasing next year, obviously, and why I really want.
I feel it must be a suspicious character.
That is why, my
I
God,
can guess.
You got it, and you are coming to the premiere no matter what, and then we will have this conversation later, because in that people are going to see me as a very different artist. People will be like, oh my God, is this the same girl who did Pallo Latke? So I'm really manifesting that it will be a change trajectory for me. And but having said that, I really would want to start. In fact, I've started learning Telugu a little bit, because if you know, I know I went and I started with Namaskaram and very little bit basics. Yeah, but I want to do like a complete course, so that I want to leave no stone unturned to be in that league where I can do anything in the Hindi film industry and the South film industry.
And something else about your forthcoming films, if you could reveal a little bit more. What else
Mr.
are you
and
doing?
Mrs. Grey is coming, but I am giving auditions for a couple of films, and I would actually love to. I hope after Masti and Pallo Latke, I get auditions for a lot of things. So that is what I'm manifesting.
Okay, in case
right
you
now.
get get two offers from the South and also from the Hindi film industry, and there is a clash.
Yeah.
What will you choose? South people are doing better, if I may say so.
Absolutely, but I think that it completely depends on the script.
And your character.
Yeah, and my character, and you know, people have. I learned this at a very, very young. I'm only 2 years old to Bombay, as I was telling you. That people
never
have
say
this,
a woman's age, no? So you didn't tell.
I'm 15. So, but you are 18. I'm 15.
Yeah,
But that's true.
that's true.
So I think that people have a lot of misconception about screen presence or screen space, and I want to talk about this because, as I told you, I do a lot of workshops. Even today, I have a 6:30 to 9:30 workshop in Aramnagar after this.
With who you are doing?
Mr. Neeraj Kabi. I'm
I
doing.
know,
I've done with
yes.
Rachit
she's
Singh
very
sir,
good, yeah.
this and that.
Learning
I keep
Urdu
on
also
doing.
maybe, no?
No,
Diction.
no. But yeah, diction we're doing very different schools of philosophies and all. But honestly speaking, ये बहुत बड़ा misconception है screen space. आपका character उस story में क्या कर रहा है?
That is important.
Is what really matters. You see, after seeing Animal, I was like, oh my God, what a brilliant character Tripti Dimri had. You know, and so for me, it's about what my character is doing and how much can I make the audience feel. That is what matters at the end of the day.
You're open to doing a small tidbit roles also, but provided people carry the memories.
Why not? Everyone does it.
Exactly.
Everyone.
And what would be, if it's not too much, I would ask you, such a pretty girl, what is your limitations, you know, of your skin show?
I personally feel like, because I am very new, I do not want people to only see me as a Masti 4 or a Pallo Latke. I also want them to see me as a girl who's also done a murder mystery with a national award winner, also is doing something else if I you know, get the opportunity. But I have no limitations as per se, and very new thing has come up, which I got to know very recently, that there are intimacy coordinators nowadays, which
nowadays
I don't think it was
nonsense
before or something, but I think if like whatever you're doing is in a very protected environment and it is being supervised by proper directors and artists and everybody, so then it's absolutely.
Are you
okay.
open to meeting intimacy supervisor? Why you should know your this thing, no? Why
No, as in so if there is an intimate scene, what they do is they choreograph it. So that the actor, or both the male and female actors, feel comfortable doing it and all of that. Okay. So I have never worked with an intimacy coordinator, but as you asked, if given an opportunity where there's a little bit of skin show also, if my character requires it,
demands it,
demands it, then obviously I will always because the directors in our industry are brilliant. You know, they're very vocal about asking their actors and making them sit and having that conversation. So that is what I would do.
That's so nice. How do you find yourself at this juncture? You know, what kind of reception are you expecting from the Bollywood industry? Nonetheless, we are just waiting for the Bollywood to do good.
Yeah.
The Hindi films to do good. So, but what are your this thing? Are you open to doing OTT?
Absolutely.
And what kind of reception have you got now?
As an actor, I'm more than happy to do OTT, Telugu, Hindi. I think obviously there has been a shift in the number of people who are going to the theatre. But you know, it disheartens me because I'm very
obviously
new.
It disheartens
But having said that, also then there comes something like a Sanyara or a Bhool Bhulaiya or a Gadar, which really swipes you off
stupendous
your
success.
Feet, and that is why I am waiting for that break or waiting for that kind of character wherein there are like thousands of people watching me in theatre and they are like, Shreya, we loved you, or we really felt like you played your character, and that is all I want. That is all I want.
Okay, lastly, you know, there's a big debate about the timing, and because you're new, do you think you'll be so hesitant and you'll have so much of apprehensions to say no, you know, for timing? and for other things also. How much compromise have you done for this film, and will you be open to doing compromises?
I think that the one thing that I have learned, and which I would like to tell everyone, is that talent 19-20 हो सकता है. But if you are a good person to work with, if you are a good person to deal with, if you're a good person to understand, if you understand that the producer is putting so much money, the director is putting years of hard work, the writer is putting all the time in the world that he's had in every word, and when you respect that, you know, even if you're a 19 and not 20 in your talent, you will be chosen. And after somebody from the production, after I did my film, came up to me and they were like, Shreya, you're so new and you were so well behaved.
Yeah,
We did
that is
not
very
have
important.
any complaints about you on set. And you know, I told her that I am so blessed to have this opportunity that I don't even want to take for granted. So I, first of all, मैं learn, मुझे कितने ही घंटे में लर्न करने के लिए रेडी हूँ, कितने ही घंटे में मतलब ऑब्वियसली वर्क के लिए, ऑब्वियसली एक देयर हैज टू बी अ सर्टेन आवर, एंड दैट एन एजेंसी और अ मैनेजर टेक्स केयर ऑफ दैट, कि दैट इज ऑब्वियसली देयर, दैट इज नॉन नेगोशिएबल. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, if you are somebody who is willing to learn and willing to work and willing to give everyone the kind of respect that they deserve.
Respect and get respect. You
and
can't
get
demand
respect. So I know for a fact that I will be chosen by people time and again if I am giving 100%
obviously
of what I am doing, and I am also being easy to work with. And this I have learned at a very young age in my career, and I want to continue to be that person that people come up and be like, हाँ यार श्रेया के साथ काम करके ना बड़े मजे आते हैं, खुश लड़की है, खुश रहती है, जब कैरेक्टर में घुसना होता है अपना काम करती है, शी इज चिल, शी डजंट गिव अस. मुझे लाइफ में बस खाना टाइम पे चाहिए, कॉफी टाइम पे चाहिए, बस मैं खुश हूँ. And I want to be good to people. That's it. Okay. Because हम बहुत लोग यहाँ पे जो अपने घरों से बहुत दूर से आए हैं और काम कर रहे हैं, we are like a family. You know, when we're working on a set, we're a family. Let's just keep each other happy. That's all. And
being your debut film, how much booty did you collect from here, or you did it for free?
No, I
nowadays children are very smart.
So
how much did you
money?
Yeah, obviously.
Money?
Did it for free? No, na?
No, I can't.
How much?
Between
the lines. Between the lines.
This
and hereafter it increases.
This I have to call who the EP of the film has to come and tell how much he's paid, because no, but for a debutant I got paid pretty decent, to be honest.
Very good.
I was very happy with the payment that I got, and more than money, to be honest, right now I'm looking at great work. Because अगर मैं इतना अच्छा काम करूँगी तो
obviously it follows.
It follows.
Money follows.
It follows.
Okay, lastly, you looked very you looked very sensuous and very sexy in Pallu Latke.
Oh my God.
For our audiences, you must do Pallu Latke. You don't have a Pallu, then how will you do it?
I don't have a Pallu, but do you want
Sing
me
yourself.
to? Okay, be ready now. सौ झटके पल्लो लटके रे मारो पल्लो लटके रे मारो पल्लो लटके.